Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm in the process of doing me some faux locks, and this is my first time doing them, and they look so good to me. So I said, let me pick up my camera and record this so I can show like the method that I'm using. It's super easy and it's super quick. I'm like, why haven't I done me some faux locks a long time ago? I thought they were gonna take super long, but I'm only doing them to like past, you know, shoulder length, like collarbone or whatever. I'll pop up a picture of the look that I was going for that I found on Instagram. But yeah, I think it's coming together so nice. It looks so neat. It just looks really good. So I'm just going to show you guys quickly the method that I'm using. Put it through, grab some regular Marley hair. Look it on. Pull it through. So just pull it through just a little bit. And where my loop is, put all of the hair through it to kind of, you know, do a knot. Tighten this, making it pretty tight, not too tight, but not tight enough to where it'll last. Take a piece, one end, and just start wrapping it at the root. Make sure it's, you know, nice and tight. Not too much. I mean, it probably looks really tight, but I'm not doing it, you know. I'm not doing it too tight. And so what I'm doing now is kind of twisting my hair again so that it's nice and tight, that the twist is tight how I want it. Taking this and kind of just, of course, bringing it back up this way. And I'm wrapping it. I'm not really just like wrapping it like I just wrapped it. Going down, going up, I am making sure it's twisted, and I'm kind of just like, I'm wrapping it, but I'm twisting it and just kind of skipping a piece, skipping a little chunk, and then wrapping. And this is kind of giving it this kind of distressed look. It's kind of crinkled a little bit, as you see, and this is what's making it look like that instead of it just looking like a normal faux lock. So I'm just going to keep twisting, making sure this is tight so that it can give it that crinkle look kind of look. So I was trying different ways, and I like the way this looked, and it feels very secure. So once she ends up like this, and that's just so cute to me. It looks distressed. It's very secure. I don't have to worry about it unraveling. And yeah, it looks super nice. So it's looking really good.
I think we should rule out the payment from now, 'cause we're falling apart. You're just doing that to get even. Don't Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. They keep falling apart, falling apart, falling apart. Flashing it from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my own ways. I can't blame you.
Okay, so I'm finally all done. I would say it took me probably a total of maybe 5-6 hours, probably less, because I was doing a lot of stuff and stopping and then starting. So I'm finally done. I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is my first time ever doing faux locks and my first time ever having these in my head too. Let me show you guys. It's a nice length. I don't know how the back look, but alrighty, so this is literally, if this is not your favorite part after getting your hair done, then I don't know what you're doing, because adding foam to my hair, oh my god, this feels so good. So I'm gonna add foam just to my scalp, because I really don't know if I can wet this part or whatever. I don't want to mess it up already, so I'm adding this to just my root. Oh my god, it feels so good. I just love this part. I'm sure this is a lot of people's favorite. Hey girl. Alright, so I'm gonna come back whenever I, do it up and show you guys. I'll probably add some jewelry into it and stuff. So far, oh my god, this is so cute. I will look cute with my real hair dreaded. Oh my god. Oh my
from a distance, I think we should rule out the payment for now, cause we're falling apart.